How to make people like you. Having people like you and listen to you, and particularly being influenced by you, is a very desirable trait. It's often thought that the key is to be an interesting person or socially dominating individual with some kind of interesting trait. Here are some tricks through which make people like you. The next thing. Make them feel important. The foundation for creating any positive relationship is to make that person feel important. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't money the greatest human desire? It's what we strive for day in and day out, but many people want money in order to raise their social status, to have a nice car and a big house. In some ways, money makes us important, but it's not quite that simple when you think about it. We as humans desire to be important, and if you can tap into that and make others feel important, and more critically, you do it genuinely. You value their time, their words, their actions. Then you can build a foundation to form a great relationship. When you make people feel positive about themselves, you make them feel valued. They often want to return the favor, and it becomes mutual friendship. The next thing. Be interested in them. Who will listen to you if you don't take the time to listen to them? Take the time to listen to others, learn from them, and understand what they have to say. Be genuinely interested in their thoughts and appreciative of the time they gave you. People love to talk about their hobbies and their passions and their interests. The more they talk about themselves, the more they enjoy the conversation. The more you learn, showing a genuine interest in others will often earn you the same. They'll take the time to listen to you, and you may also find you've earned their loyalty by listening. If you want people to like you, to find you interesting and then ensure you like them. The next thing. Remember their name. Do you have a favorite word? The reality is that often our favorite word is our name. Nothing turns our heads and excites us more than hearing our name. Our name is what summarizes our importance and becomes our brand and who we are as a person. We want to feel important, and nothing makes us feel more important than someone remembering who we are. That person knows who we are, and if they follow up with a conversation about ourselves, our achievements, or our skills, then it really elevates our feeling of self-worth. So this is why it's so important to remember people's names. The next thing. Listen more than you speak. The key to being genuine is actually listening and taking it all in. Listen and show you're listening by offering your own perspective. Ask some relevant questions to the person. That person will enjoy answering, and doing this shows your interest and commitment to the conversation. Remember that most people are mostly interested in themselves and what they like and what they think. If you can show that you are just as interested in what they have to say as they are, this will go a long way in creating a connection. So when a person knows you're interested and truly listening, you'll find you're creating a bond based on genuine communication, and people will appreciate that and often will want to return that favor. The next thing. Smile. Smiles are so powerful. It's believed that they can be seen through a telephone. It's often encouraged that you smile while speaking over the phone to create a more positive connection with the person on the other end. It's also argued that not much can be achieved unless you're happy doing it. Happiness gives out genuine smiles. You need to enjoy speaking to other people and getting to know them. By doing so, you'll be giving them the warmest of smiles that they will soon remember. Be a person everyone likes. Have a happy life. Take care, my friend. Consider subscribing the channel.